Cristiano Ronaldo revealed one of his newborn twins died during childbirth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Manchester United star soccer player Cristiano Ronaldo on Monday announced the death of his newborn son in an Instagram post. The 37-year-old soccer champion had announced in October 2021 that he was expecting twin with his partner Georgina Rodriguez, aged 28. A statement from the couple confirmed the death of their newborn boy, calling it the greatest pain, but said their baby girl survived. It is with our deepest sadness that we have to announce that our baby boy has passed away. It is the greatest pain that any parent can feel, the announcement read. Only the birth of our baby girl gives us the strength to live this moment with some hope and happiness. We would like to thank the doctors and nurses for their expert care and support. We are all devastated at this loss and we kindly ask for privacy at this very difficult time. Our baby boy, you are our angel. We will always love you, the couple stated in an Instagram post. As news of the passing spread, a lot of fans and friends took to social media just in order to send condolences to his family. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.